Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the respiratory section under the review of systems. Respiratory relates to all breathing related actions. The practitioner can perform various simple tests to determine whether a patient has an irregular respiratory system and judge whether the respiratory system requires further, more in-depth testing done. In this video, we will start on an open General Examination Form Review of Systems panel. For more information regarding the General Examination Form, please refer to the General Examination Overview User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Review of Systems panel. The Review of Systems panel will expand. Click on the Respiratory subpanel. The Respiratory subpanel will expand. Click on the image to open the video capture screen. For more information regarding the video capture screen, please refer to the How to Upload an Image Photo User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to close the video capture screen without saving any of the changes made. Click on the Save button to save any notes or uploaded images on a video capture screen. Click on the Signs of Distress button once to turn the button green. The Signs of Distress button will turn green, which is an indication of normal results. One of the most important observations a practitioner can make when assessing the respiratory system is checking for signs of distress in the patient. Click on the Signs of Distress button a second time, which turns the button red. The red is an indication that changes were made within the button and not within normal range. The General Notes field is a free text field. Click on the Signs of Distress button for a third time to deselect the button and collapse all of the information found within it. Any notes made within the button will remain once deselected. Please note that the button behavior demonstrated will apply to all buttons within the respiratory subpanel. The chest wall makes up all of the protective structures surrounding the lungs and heart. A healthy set of lungs will follow a normal pattern of breathing with strong and effective inhalation and exhalation. The practitioner performing palpations could be used to determine if the respiratory system is of correct size, shape and is positioned in the correct place. Percussion is a test performed by the practitioner by tapping on specific spots of the patient's chest. Using a stethoscope, the practitioner will be listening to the lungs and looking out for any abnormalities in the sounds. Any additional notes can be made within a General Notes button. Click on a Close button to exit the clinical case screen without saving. Click on the arrow next to the Save and Close button for more options. Click on a Save button to save any changes made and remain on the General Examination Form. Click on a Save Lines to New Macro button to save the lines captured as a macro. For more information regarding macros, please refer to the macros billing combinations within Modifiers User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Save and Close button to save the changes made and close the clinical case screen.